be heard. Convos hit hard, but zero judgment. Laughs, debates, and so much more. From the heart straight to your ear. Say it, Jure. The vibe is here.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Say It Joe with Pleasant. And I'll be honest with you guys, I don't have a plan today. I don't have a topic. I don't have guests. Well, it's just my mic, myself, and you. At first, I thought about skipping this week. I told myself, you don't have anything ready. People are just going to be disappointed. But then I realized, isn't that exactly how life works? We don't always have things figured out. We don't always walk into a situation knowing what we want to do. And honestly, that's okay. So today's episode is going to be different. It's just me talking about what it feels like to show up without a plan. And maybe, just maybe, that's not such a bad thing. Think about it. From the time when we were kids, people always asked us, what's your plan? What do you want to be when you grow up? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? What's your 5-year plan? What do you want to study? Where do you want to be? You get? When you say you don't have an answer to all these things, people look at you like, oh God, this one is lost. But then the truth is, sometimes having no plan is part of the plan. You get? So what happens when you don't have a plan? You learn faster actually. You actually learn faster. Think about it. When you're forced to act without overthinking, you rely on your instinct, your creativity, your resilience. You get? So these are a few lessons I've noticed from my own no plan moments. Clarity comes after action, not before the action. We wait around saying, once I know exactly what to do, I'll start. I've been saying that to myself, and if I had kept saying that, I probably wouldn't have started this podcast channel. But then the truth is, starting is how you figure it out. I started, and it's fine. I'm figuring stuff out. It's definitely not easy, but then here we are. It is what it is. And then perfection is a trap. Sometimes having a plan is just procrastination in disguise. You keep tweaking the plan so that it will be more perfect, and you actually never do it. You discover strengths you didn't know you had. When you're put on a spot, you surprise yourself actually. Recording this podcast without prep feels uncomfortable, but it's also freeing because I'm not hiding behind the notes. I'm just here, just saying exactly what I need to say. And maybe that's what you need to. Sometimes no plan is actually the best plan. Think about the conversations you've had with friends. Were they scheduled? Were they scripted? Were they carefully outlined? Probably not. They just flowed, Life is like that. So some of the best opportunities come when you least expect them. Some of the best moments happen off script. I like to think of it like jazz. There's structure, sure, but most of it is improvisation. And the beauty of jazz isn't like playing it perfect. It's the freedom that flows with whatever comes next. And you know what? This podcast episode is just like jazz. I sit down, I think of most of my words, I invite my guests, I try to follow the guided topic, and I just hit record, and it's usually off script. There's no script sincerely, but today, so yeah, what's the takeaway from today? Honestly, it's simple. You don't need the perfect plan to start. Whether it's a business idea, whether it's a new habit, whether it's a relationship, whether it's something as small as reading, working out, you don't have to wait until it's all mapped out. Just begin, take one step, and figure it out as you go. So here's my challenge for you this week. Pick one thing that you've been delaying because you don't have the perfect plan. Maybe it's calling somebody, maybe it's starting a project, or even just going for a walk. Whatever it is, stop waiting and start now. If you're listening to this, let me know how it goes. You can leave your comments, send a message. I would love to hear what you tried. Thanks for hanging out with me on this unplanned, totally raw episode. I hope it reminded you that you don't have it all figured out. You just have to show up. Until next time, stay consistent, stay present, and remember, sometimes no plan is the best plan. See you sometime next week for another episode of Say It Joy with Blessing. Bye.
Let your voice be heard.